Yo, what's up, weirdos? Just enjoying the patio once again, guys. Got a kind of a bit of weird lighting there anyway. But yeah, just enjoying the patio a little bit, relaxing after a crazy day. Exhausting. Got family in town, so the content's a little sporadic right now for this next couple days. But we talked this morning about, man, a lot of panic, excitement. We had Mr. T yesterday, last night, um, doing what he did out on those plants. We can't get too much into detail because there's certain words that we just can't say, but we saw that happen and the markets respond in the way that they did. And then this morning we wake up and we see Iran talking about slowing down the flow of oil. I think 25% of the flow of oil flows through. I can't remember the name of the canal, but you get what I'm saying, which caused markets to crash even further. Now, here's the thing, I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock market have a bit of a hit tomorrow morning. Crypto, maybe not. I don't think crypto would take that much of a hit. It's already kind of priced into the to Bitcoin and the altcoins right now, but stock market hasn't felt the hasn't felt the punch yet. So when the market bell opens tomorrow, don't be surprised to see some red. But just as I said this morning, guys, I talked about it. I said, look, everything's going to be fine. We went down to like $98,000. People were panicking, and I said, guys, it's all good, man. We're going to be okay. And what happened? We got back up over $100,000. We closed back up over $100,000, and we're sitting at 101. Last time I looked, 101,000, like $300 or something like that, right? So we rebounded, we recovered, we got back up over $100,000 for the daily close, and that's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see a close above $100,000, and we got it, right? I told you guys, right? I talked about this earlier. All the arguments and the toxic people who are trying to rebuttal things and be bearish. I've been here 100 times before, guys. I told you this was going to happen, right? Trust in Rob. Trust me, right? I'm talking through experience here, guys. Whenever you see, I told you guys earlier today in the charts, name one time you've ever saw markets crash. You've seen things go down and then they just never recover. They just never ever come back up. Of course they're going to come back up, right? That's obvious. So the obvious decision this morning, not financial advice, but the most obvious decision this morning was to DCA, which is what I did, which is what a lot of our members over on the Patreon did. We filled our bags. And I gotta be honest with you, I think that tomorrow, crypto probably, I don't think crypto's gonna take much more of a hit tomorrow. It's already kind of priced in over the weekend here. Stocks, yes, you'll probably see some fleeing from the S&P 500 and stuff like that into probably gold and silver, um, until we get some sort of announcement about the what Iran's trying to do with the flow of oil there. But I'm sure that'll be resolved rather quickly. I know that Mr. T was trying to prompt China to do something about that. So I'm not saying whether they will or not. I have no idea. But wheels are already in motion is kind of the point, right? So and just like I said this morning when I said everything will be fine, it turned out we got back up over $100,000. We closed up over $100,000, and everything's fine, right? I'm saying the same thing moving forward. Could things get worse macroeconomically in the short term? Of course, we could see some more negative stuff come out. But we have no control over that, right? We don't control that at all, guys. So instead of trying to control things like that and stress about them and stuff, all we can do is take it day by day right now and take advantage of opportunities that present themselves to us, right? Anything outside of that is just nonsense. It's just worrying for no reason, right? Don't lose sleep over things you can't control, guys, right? And understand opportunities when they're in front of you. That's one of the biggest keys to succeeding in this space, guys, is being able to identify opportunities and not act rashly or emotionally in them. So something to keep in mind, guys. Before I continue on, though, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Get yours today, guys. Use our link down below. get a fantastic deal. 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet. You can swap on there, take profits on there, hold your crypto and stable coins on there, and you can stake on there and gain APY as well. So you can do that through the bear market. It's a big question I've been getting asked a lot lately. Can I hold my stablecoin on there through the whole bear market until I'm ready to buy again? And the answer is yes, you can. Once again, use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. But yeah, so everything's looking good. You know, altcoins recovered a tiny bit, not as much as Bitcoin did today, but that's again just another opportunity to DCA this evening. Personally, I DCA'd twice today. I put my buy alerts over on the Patreon. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait. I'm not going to buy any more tonight. I'm going to wait to see what happens in the markets tomorrow. I think that we'll see the S&P 500 kind of take a hit probably, and then rebound probably in the afternoon, depending on any macroeconomic news that comes out. Obviously, right, no one can foresee that stuff. But I think we most likely will see a bit of a rebound in the altcoins tomorrow, and most of the bubbles will probably be green 24 hours from now. So we'll see what happens there, but what goes down, we usually have a rebound, guys. So I really hope that you guys didn't panic sell or anything like that. I hope that nobody, you know, acted on emotion, because as you can see, there was no need to, right? Again, I said it, Cesar said it, we needed to get back up over $100,000, and we needed to close above $100,000, and we did that, right? So very, very bullish for me. Very, very bullish. But outside of that, guys, yeah, it's just, you know, wait and see. And listen, if you don't have dry powder and you're stressed out and you're like, I didn't get to DCA, you know, it's frustrating me. Listen, there's nothing wrong with just sitting on your hands, guys, right? Said this before, I'll say it again. Some of the most successful multimillionaire investors in the world have spent extended periods of time doing absolutely nothing, not buying, not selling, just sitting on their hands and allowing time for their investments to mature, right? So just keep that in mind as well. But outside of that, again, it's just hurry up and wait. So that's all we can really do. And listen, guys, if you are running on a lot of emotion right now, anxiety, if you're upset, if you don't know what to do, if you're seeing a lot of FUD out there right now and people are telling you there's not going to be a bull run, there's not going to be an altcoin season and stuff, and you're scared, get over to the Patreon, guys. We have an extremely supportive community over there. We have open mic nights where we turn the camera and the microphone over to you, where you can chat with everybody else, and it's a fantastic time. You get the support and reassurance that you need from a like-minded community that's going to be there to back you up and make sure that you don't make big mistakes and panic sell and shoot yourself in the foot when it comes to your portfolio, right? You want to get out of this market with all of your profits intact. It's the best way to go, guys. So join our community. Once again, we have 8 different chat rooms over there that are always buzzing 24/7 with thousands of people. I just dropped a 100x microcap gem over there as well that you're going to want to check out as well, guys. We're live every single day. And listen, the best part about it is, especially for you new people in crypto, we have mentorship programs over there. We do mentorship coaching calls every day. You can jump in, book yourself into some of them. They're absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything as a Patreon member. So schedule yourself into some of our mentorship coaching calls and get the help and guidance that you need, whether it's exit strategies, profit-taking plans, portfolio structure, when to take profits, when not to take profits, technical analysis, tokenomics, hot wallets, cold wallets, gas fees, centralized exchanges, anything you need help with in crypto, understanding the mental and emotional aspects of this space, studying and understanding the 4-year cycle and how it plays out, and that will really help you succeed in this space as well. So check it out, guys. And as always, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. The link to the Patreon is down below in the description. God bless.